Welcome to a new recipe presentation. Today I wanted to prepare some green lentils, so I decided to film it in order to show you another high protein meal. I put half a kilo to 500 grams of green lentils to hydrate last night, because by letting them to hydrate overnight, you'll make them release and be more nourishable. The nutrients will be ready because they're like preparing to sprout. Now it has this color. The water is a little bit green and I have to wash it 2 times. For these lentils I will use some celery, onions, carrots, tomato, passata. Here I have some coconut oil and cut them in little slices. For this recipe I have this big pot, and when I finish cutting the vegetables and put them here, there's nothing inside the pot. It's dry. I will use some coconut oil to fry a little bit the vegetables, and then I'm gonna boil them a little bit with some water. After slicing the onion, I'm gonna continue with the carrots. I'm gonna slice them thinner than the onion because they're gonna take a little bit more time cooking to be thoroughly done. Some carrots will not get in the pot, they will get on the floor. This recipe I'm preparing, it's a vegan one, also vegetarian. There's no animal source of protein here. Green lentil is rich in fiber, proteins, carbs. It's nutritious and also good. This recipe takes around 30 to 40 minutes to prepare and also cook. So in 40 minutes you have 3 to 4 servings of green lentils. Just to give you an idea how little I cut them. So I'm gonna bring this water to boiling point, to boiling temperature, because I need it to boil also the vegetables after I stir them with a little bit of coconut oil. And for the green lentils, before I start, I'm gonna show you. Nice colors, huh? Yeah, I'll have to start the cooker hood, otherwise there'll be a sauna inside the kitchen. The stove burner of this big pot will be up to a medium to high intensity until I start boiling the lentils, and then I'm gonna be ready to a medium intensity. You're gonna stay hydrated when you cook. After browning the vegetables a little bit, some coconut oil, I'm gonna put a little bit of hot water in it so it can start boiling. And then I'm gonna put a little bit because it's gonna boil much faster. Just check the carrots and they are tender, they are almost done, so now I can put the lentils. It's obvious there's need of water. No! No! Gandalf is playing with the headlight. No! 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 The lentils are almost done. The water has almost boiled it completely. And now I'm gonna add, I think, half of this tomato passata. I have to see. Yeah, I'm gonna pour it all. They are done. Now I just have to season them with some salt, pepper, and I also like to put some curcuma. and it's finally done. I will eat it with some rice. After this I'm gonna also prepare some rice. I'm gonna film that too. And I can't wait to do the rice so I can eat. This is a full meal. It's healthy, it's cheap.